Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will present a video about the drivetrain system, specifically focusing on the manual clutch as my final semester examination for the technical English course. Before we join the video, let me introduce myself. My name is M. Harvey Frayova. With name 2307305. And this video we can see how me to introduce drift trends and English language. Okay, we can join into the video. Uh, the first, we have the background. The drive trend is the main system in motor vehicles that function to transit and control power from the engine to the driving wheels. Uh, the function from the drivetrain, it's to transmit, and control power from the engine to driving wheels. This system plays an important role in the determining vehicle performance, including acceleration capability, fuel efficiency, stability, and driving comfort. Without a properly functioning drivetrain, the power produced by the engine cannot effectively utilize it to move the vehicle. Okay, next. The next, its main function from the coupling manual. The main function of manual coupling is connect and disconnect engine power to the transmission. Without the coupling, connect and disconnect the engine power to the transmission, it's so hard and maybe not smoothly. By doing so, the clutch allows the driver to change gears smoothly without damaging the transmission component. In addition, the clutch helps control vehicle movement during starting, stopping, and low speed driving. It also plays important role in reducing shock and vibration where power is transmitted from the engine to the drivetrain. Okay, next. On next page, we have main component from the manual clutch. The main component of manual clutch include maybe clutch disc to transfer engine torque to the transmission through friction, pressure plate, apply pressure to the clutch disc to ensure proper power transmission. Number three, flywheel provides a smooth rotation surface and stores rotational energy. And the next, the prop spring generates the clamping force needed to engage the clutch. And the next, release bearing or choke out bearing release pressure on the pressure plate when the clutch pedal is present. And the next component, clutch force, the platform. He have trans It's have function transfer motion from the release mechanism to the release bearing. Clutch pedal. The function allow the driver to control clutch adjustment and disengagement. Okay, next specs. Maybe in the page we have general working principle. In general, a manual clutch works based on the principle of friction. With When the clutch pedal is released, the pressure plate press the clutch dismiss firmly against the flywheel, allowing engine power to be transmitted to the transmission. When the clutch pedal is pressed, the release bearing punishment the prop spring reducing the pressure on the disc. As a result, the clutch disc separates from the flywheel and engine power is temporarily disconnected from the transmission. This process enables smooth gear shifting and the safe mechanical operation. Okay, next we have case explanation on this video. The case it's clutch slipping of the curve occurs when a vehicle is climbing uphill under heavy load. In this condition, the engine speed increase, put the vehicle speed to increase proportionally. The driver may also notice a burning smell coming from the clutch area. This problem becomes more apparent when the vehicle carries passengers or cargo and requires height from the overcome the inclined clutch. Slipping during uphill driving reduces vehicle performance and can make the vehicle lose pulling power. If the problem is not addressed immediately, it may lead to severe damage to the other drivetrain component. And next specs, we have analysis of possible cause. Number one, worn clutch disc. Why worn clutch disc? Maybe excessive wear on the clutch lining reduce friction between the clutch disc and the flywheel, causing the clutch to slip under load. Number two, weak or the match pressure plate spring. A weak diaphragm spring cannot apply sufficient pressure to clamp to the clutch disc properly. Number three, oil contamination on the clutch disc. Maybe oil linkage from the engine layer main cell to the transmission input shaft cell can contaminate the clutch disc. And then oil contamination on the clutch disc. Number four, correct clutch pedal free play and sufficient free play can cause the clutch to remain partially desensitized. Maybe this analysis of possible cause, we have four analysis. Number one were clutch disc. Number two were of the match pressure plate spring. Number three, oil contamination on the clutch disc. Number four, correct clutch pedal free play. Okay, to the next spec. Okay, in the next spec, we have inspection. And the next spec, inspection and recommended repair step. This is have 6 recommended repair step. Number one, it's check clutch pedal free play. Number two, inspect the clutch operation system. Number three, inspect the clutch disc condition. And number four, inspect the pressure plate and flywheel. Number five, repair our legs. And number six, test drive the vehicle. Number one, check clutch the pedal free play. Measure and adjust the free play according to the manufacturer's specification. Number two, check the clutch, cable, or hydraulic system for improper adjustment, air in the system, or fluid leakage. And number three, remove the transmission if necessary to check clutch disc wear or oil contamination. Replace the clutch disc if worn on contaminated. Number four, inspect the pressure plate and flywheel. Check for weak springs, uneven surface, or head damage. Resurface or replace common component is required. Number five, repaint oil leaks. Fix any oil leaks from the engine or transmission seals before installing the new clutch component. And the last test drive test drive the vehicle. After repairs, perform the test drive expensively on a Apple road to ensure the clutch and jets to properly without the slipping. Okay, next pack. Uh, this consu this convolution clutch slipping when climbing uphill the is mainly by caused by excessive wear, improve adjustment or contamination of clutch components. Proper inspection, timely maintenance, and correct driving habits are essential to prevent this problem and ensure reliable vehicle performance. Maybe this conclusion can expect. On this spec, we have recommendation for the main clutch uh, or the clutch system. Recommendation is to prevent damage to the clutch system. It is recommended that vehicle user perform regular clutch maintenance according to the manufacturer's guidelines, routine inspection of clutch pedal free play, clutch disc condition, and the clutch operating system should be carried out to ensure optimal performance. In addition, proper driving habits such as avoiding excessive use of half clutching, especially when driving uphill, uphill, are essential to extend clutch surface life and maintain vehicles reliability. Okay, maybe the recommendation is the last part of my video, and in the next pack thank you for the watching my video. Maybe I have many mistakes for my vocabulary or my English language. Maybe maybe then video me. Thank you for the watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.